It is your fear which is affecting you. So, kung gusto mong maghanap ng negosyo na hindi magiging affected ng AI, parang imposible. Because lahat ngayon ay magiging affected na ng AI. So, the best thing to do is to really to learn AI, learn how to leverage AI so that you can move faster, you can work faster with less people. So, yung sinabi nila na binawasan nila yung iyong rate at natakot ka naman dahil nga may AI, ang question is, umalis ba sila? Kaya ba nilang gawin yon? Kasi kailangan mo rin ng tao to have AI. So, baka nag-bluff lang sila at kumagat ka naman. Kung ang AI ay sobrang laki ng nagagawa sa wedding industry, maybe it's time you look at other industries as well. Tulad ko, no? I am a content creator. I use AI in order to help me create scripts. May mga ideas ako. We would list down yung aming ideas, pero pinapa-refine namin kay AI. Mas mabilis ngayon yung trabaho namin. Tapos, yung pagsulat lang ng email, maglalagay lang kami ng ilang pointers, ipaprompt namin si AI, mabilis. My team is able to produce more and faster now with AI. Ngayon, ang team ko, 5 kami. Pero kung halimbawa, walang AI, siguro 10 kami. But because of AI, there's just 5 of us. But there are things that hindi marireplace tulad ng videos ko. Yung editing, mas madali ngayon dahil nga meron ng AI. But then, yung pag-deliver, ako pa rin. Pag-record, ako pa rin. So there are things that AI can do, but there are things that AI can never do, which is, to replace me. So AI will give suggestions, pero at the end, yung experience ko, ang ilalagay ko on top of AI to make things better. Kaya even if you and I are both using the same AI tool, pero yung product ko ng magagawa ko and yung product na magagawa mo ay iba dahil yung aking experience ay iba sa'yo. So, wag matakot sa AI, leverage on AI, and then try to identify industries that are not affected by AI. Grow your business, Pinoy. Have you been running your business for years but feel like you're going around in circles? Anak, parang stuck ka, scattered, and you're not quite sure where the next right step is and what it is. So Grow Your Business, Pinoy is a book that gives you a clear step-by-step growth roadmap. It's practical, proven, and built for the realities of running a business in the Philippines. Wala nang guessing, wala nang doing everything and going nowhere. Just a clear path forward. Finally, get your copy now, anak. The link is in the comment section.